density. So why is I'm trying to keep the condensed glue gels away from my lamps so much. Every time I pick it up, I get enough amount of it. It's a little bit thick density, which is normal. So close it right away so you are never gonna get ruining your condensed glue gels. So applies it on. I know that even sometimes we're busy, so I have.
Holly Forever said, "Do you have a YouTube channel?"
Yes, we do. If you are searching for glitz accessory and such, or you can go it under like Beauty Forever with Nancy. You can see all the videos. So if you that's a full tutorial video. So usually when I do this, I close the cap on, and I'm gonna wipe off the brush. That's quick. You can clean it by the end of the day, but you have to wipe it off first, and then you cap this one on. So this will protect your brush. I have the brush, it will be almost 3 years. It will never ruin at all, unless someone touched my brush and did something that I've don't doing it, so then I can tell that, you know, it's happened. But if I doing it, I never have to have any issue with this at all.
Karina Hernandez said, "Hello, Nancy,
Hello, how are you? So I am going to using a no wipe top coat right on the top of the uncured condensed glue gels. I know I always like repeating it because a lot of you are just tuning in. Just welcome to Glitz live tutorial for all of you who've been with us.
Said, "What is the purpose of the condensed glue gel?"
So the condensed glue gels, first layer first, was the purpose is holding all the crystal. The no wipe top coat is on the top, so when you finish, it's going to cure through all the way through the condensed glue gels. And the purpose of it, so when you place the crystal on the top of the condensed glue gel and on top coat, the condensed glue gel and the top coat will actually is grab the base of the crystals, and it keep it stay up to 3 to 6 weeks. And also when you're finishing it, you don't have to go to every single cracks and edges to fill in your top coat, because all else still have tacky layer. So I am going to using is really beautiful, is Perfect Draw. I really like this. I don't know if I want to do anything with this. Super cute. You can do however you would like. You can I really want this one in there. Just a little bit to give it the gold look. And my super sweet what collection. I said I'm gonna get the name for you and I forget. I can find out right now. All right, maybe one more. And of course the gold beads. You can like just do all the crystals, and if you're happy with this and the clients don't want to have a beads on, you should be good. And just key it for 60 seconds and using precision glue, and you call it good. But if you want to add it a little bit dramatics, like
Maya asked, "Ruby is my birthstone. Which ones are y'all?"
Ruby is your birthstone. Ruby, hold on. Ruby is your birthstone. What month of Ruby is? June.
I know mine is pink, but I don't know what it's called.
Pink, topaz. It can be opal or pink topaz. Mine's aquamarine. You know what? There you go. My aquamarine, but I like a blue topaz better. I think probably because blue topaz has got more colors on it, I guess. Something stick on mine.
Larvas is a sapphire. S. Marine Nails is a diamond.
Sapphire is September. And diamond is April.
Maya's dad is a Leo.
What is it, your
Money
Maya?
Bags is a Leo.
No, I mean the color, the birthstone. What's color of your birthstone? Leo is that what month is that? That's zodiac sign. Hi, Lily. All right, are you happy with this? You don't, so then we'll keep continue. But if you're happy, we'll keep it for 60 seconds. Looks good. I don't know. I want more. Sorry, everyone. I was like using a rose in the back.
L.Y. Williams said aquamarine.
Yours,
Everyone's talking about their zodiac signs now.
your aquamarine. I'm Pisces, and aquamarine is my birthstone.
People are talking about zodiac signs now.
That's awesome. This. Make sure I don't miss.
Super cute bling nails said mine is a blue zircon. Don't know how.
What is yours, birthstone? Like, hold on. January is garnet. February is amethyst. March is aquamarine. That's great. Okay, I am going to cure for 60 seconds. Make sure I'm gonna cure this. 60 seconds. Aquamarine. April is diamond. May is emerald. June. Is that June's ruby? I might get right. Okay, wrong. I don't know. July is ruby or June is ruby. Someone can help me with that. Thank you so much, Sonia. Thank you, Marie. Thank Flower Baby Sky. Water Sigh, Mika. Water Sigh. I'm like I'm a Pisces, I think. So I'm so excited. Wait until the next one. The next one, we're gonna do this. Hi, Lily. Hang here with us. April diamond. That's all I know. It's your birthstone. That's your birthstone, right?
Don't know what my birthstone's called.
Okay, your birthstone is
I know my
opal.
birthstone's pink. That's all.
All right, so I'm going to using a precision glue, and just don't lose this red cap. I'm gonna go in and doing a little exam first to see any cracks. I feel it right here. Right there. I feel a little bit, but this one is good. You're gonna check it first before you squeeze anything out, because you don't want to do it too much, because too much might flood your crystals. I'm gonna go around with all the frames.
Roxy said, OMG, you're so lucky, Bella. Opal is my favorite.
Your opal favorites. It's a really cool story that back then, I remember when she just born like 10 years ago, and we have really one sweet clients. Like, she's like a grandma to me. She's had the same birth month like to Isabella, October. So she, before we I think I remember before we move away, and then she gave me the rings, like opal rings with gold that she's got. She said that stone she lost a few times, and she finally found it, and then she's kind of resetting it. And she gave it to me with a really nice letter. I'm gonna keep it for 60 seconds. And then she would tell me to keep it for Isabella until she's 18. I can give it to her. So it's safe for her with the little letter.